engineering is the backbone of modern infrastructure. From towering skyscrapers to sturdy bridges and well-designed roads, civil engineers shape the world we live in. As civil engineering students, we aspire to build a better future. So to gain insight into the profession, we interviewed a practicing civil engineer to learn about their journey, their education, training, skills, and achievements. Join us as we explore the inspiring story of a civil engineer and discover what it takes to succeed in this dynamic field. Now, let us meet our guest.
So, good day po, Engineer Nuevo. Thank you for taking time to speak with us today. We truly appreciate the opportunity to learn from you, from your experience in the field of civil engineering.
We are students from Samar State University, currently taking Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering as part of our final group project. We are conducting an interview with a practicing civil engineer to gain insights into their education, skills, work experience, and achievements.
Our goal is to understand the real-world application of civil engineering and learn from your journey in the profession. So before we start, allow us to introduce ourselves.
I am Harold National and this is my partner.
Julian Ponay po. So, for this interview, we will be alternating in asking question po. Once again, thank you for your time and let's begin with our first question po. So, can you introduce yourself po and tell us about your current role as a civil engineer?
So, I'm Jezabel Nuevo. So, I'm currently working here sa Provincial Engineering Office. So, kami ay nagpe-prepare for the proposal ng mga plan, program of work sa mga estimate. Tapos, nag-field gap kami so we do site inspections, project monitoring. So, ako pwede na concurrent role.
What inspired you to pursue a career in civil engineering?
That's what I chose. Charot. So, since dili ko mag-gusto mag-education and for the accountancy, so we opt for kasi mas cheaper in civil engineering. Tapos my father kasi was also an electrician, so nakaka-witness ako dahil ng mga construction, so baga na-inline ako sa ganito na works.
Okay po. So, what degree or degrees did you earn to become or improve as a civil engineer, and how did your education prepare you for your career?
So, I took up obviously civil engineering. Tapos, waray pa ako mag-master's since I don't have time. So, I'm planning to take a process hopefully next year. Tapos, so far, engineering in SSU was great help also kasi nasanay kami ng pressure. So, pagkadiha real world is especially yung nag-take na kami ng boards, mas na-handle mo yan kasi in terms ibang school kasi SSU is parang mas ahead hera compared sa ibang school, so mas nakabuli kaya amin kaya in terms of the process and education kaya SSU was better.
Did you pursue any internships or practical training during your studies? If so, how did they help you?
So, ang mga OJT, diba, ma-under ko mga OJT when you reach third year, I think, fourth year. So, amo to naman practical, na OJT ako ha, DPWH, niya summer second. So, dito na-experience naman yung pag-imuhan mga estimate, pati mga first-hand and plan, tapos mga dito ko na-experience ng mga actual na mga pagkitahan mga constructions and site inspections.
So, what technical skills or software are essential in your field of work?
So, obviously, it's AutoCAD, STAAD for structural. I don't know kung nag-STAAD na kami. para ito po. So, may nagyap epalet for waterworks for mga software para pag compute discharge at tubig and pag-drive, run ng software kung saan mauubusan ng source yung tubig. So, amin ito epalet. Tapos, may nag-hub SketchUp. Nagamit ka kami SketchUp and 3D pero mostly for architecture kasi ito. Tapos, ano pa ba? Primavera. Sa amin Civil 3D. Excuse me, Civil 3D para mga kalsada. Roadworks and mga design. So, amin yun.
How do soft skills like communication and teamwork impact your success as a civil engineer?
So, it's very important as a civil engineer kasi when you do project monitoring, kailangan maarang ka makikommunicate labinahan yung mga workers. Ibig sabihin na civil engineer ka, may degree ka, mas maarang ka hire. Kasi actual, mas labi na kung fresh grad ka or wala ka experience, mas maraming mga workers sa mo. So, the respect is still there. Mas damo ni mapaparoan hire. So, kailangan, hindi ka mag-attitude na mas may degree ako try mo, mas maaram ako. So, dapat open-minded ka to work with them. Tapos, dapat kung anong willing ka mamati, kung anong nila gusto i-correct na yun. So, that's how communication works kaya okay. Kung close-minded ka, dire ka dire magiging maayos na yung teamwork.
So, what type of project have you worked on and which has been your most challenging or rewarding?
So, over past work kasi, I work with Talani. So, we do usually mga small-scale projects wala. And I think the most challenging kasi was remote area kasi na ako natrabaho ko. So, ang challenging was the transportation of the materials nga to han area. So, usually, paano na mo nagta-transport? Siyempre, may naman niya effect kaya pa cost, nagkaka-problema kaya kami. Tapos in terms of weather, ito naman usually challenging nito. Tapos, especially how to work with the community kasi naman project kasi is mga barangay roads, mga ganito. So, may mga times nga nakaka-receive kami ng complaints from the community na kaya sa ganito. Kaya hindi sa ganito nagkaroon ng project, kaya sugalinin yung ginhumo. So, ito most challenging kasi pag-explain haera kasi dili kasi nakaka-gets usahay yung mga technical terms. So, kailangan mo i-adjust na mo level haera. So, ito most challenging here.
Can you describe a typical day in your role?
Typical day, usually prepare mga estimate para mga proposal and projects, mga AutoCAD, mga plano. Tapos most of the time, pag required din outside inspection, mga project monitoring. So nagkatapig yan kami around sa visitan mga ongoing projects kasi wala na nila status.
So, what has been your proudest achievement or milestone as a civil engineer?
So far, since I've worked, especially when I work in Talani, I think one of the biggest achievement kasi pag nakikita mo na nagagamit ng community in your project. So fulfilling niya on our part na nakikita mo nakakabulig niya ka community. Tapos pag naagi kayo itong area na maganda na kuha mo rin ang experience ito mga projects. Tapos especially kung nababati mo mismo ang mga istorya bahan community nga. Thank you engineers sa ganini kaya mga projects nakakabulig yan na magandas na sa ganini di rin na nagbabahan din nga area mga sa ganito. So fulfilling niya hangat part ka knowing nga nakabulig ka community.
What challenges have you faced in your career and how did you overcome them?
Challenges? So far, dahil mga challenges. Pero, I think yan na, ang biggest challenge is paano ko pa may improve na kung terms sa career-wise, professional-wise. So, that's one of the biggest challenge kasi in real world, competition kasi. So, di rin ba kay license ka na, mag-second ka na nila. So, may naka pa mga future such investment. Take ka like iba-iba nga courses para ma-improve mo yung skills.
So, how do you see the field of civil engineering evolving in 10 years po?
So, hopefully, after 10 years more, may nakata like mga projects na adaptive na kaya climate change. Kaya kasi, currently yan na, so, diba, ang mga bagyo, so, I think, especially the government, nagpupanahirahan mga projects na mas eco-friendly ng adaptive via climate change. So, para mas safer yan. Hopefully, by after 10 years, so ganito na itong mga construction, mga structures, mas makusog na niya. Labi na mga bagyo,
And that's all po, Engineer Nuevo. We sincerely appreciate you taking the time to share your insights and experiences with us today. Your journey and expertise in civil engineering have been truly inspiring.
Your experience gave us a perspective on what it takes to succeed in the field of civil engineering.
But before we end, is there any final advice you would like to give to aspiring civil engineers like us?
Sure na kami, charot. Dadere, patayan na kami kay makore man talaga yung labi na pag mag-hire sa kami, especially when you take the boards kasi di na magsisink in and pressure kada na boards. Tapos yun di rin man na nagsasucceed na first time kasi ako retaker ako, so di rin man nagsisucceed na first time, padayan na kay di rin man nakabutang ka lisensya kung pero ka nag-take mo. Tapos it real competition kasi in terms of work. So, pero kung ako yun, take the board exam first pag makagraduate ka. Okay? Kasi magtrabaho ka mo, hindi pa ka mo license. Kasi sa meron nga nga engineer ka, hindi kailangan lisensya. Bagan, ada kasi ang discrimination. Bagan, major slap kasi ka yung iba ang treatment and license yun din. So, kamo as aspiring civil engineers, hopefully, pag-take ano ng works. Tapos, kung makapasal ka, hindi na kang pag-work. Kaya para, at least, fully put mo up. Yun na lang, pag-take masters, pag-take iba pa ka, para may improve yung skills. So, para yun na kang tayo, makore pa. First year pa na ka ba? Yes. Fighting, guys.
Thank you for that aspiring message po.
Once again,
thank you, and we truly appreciate your valuable insight, and we hope to apply what we've learned from you in our future career.
We wish you continued success in your projects and future endeavors. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you. Pasensya na.
Whoa! That was a great interview. We learned so much about the skills, challenges, and achievements of a civil engineer. A big thank you to Engineer Nuevo for sharing her journey with us. Thank you for watching. I am Angelica, and this has been our final turn project. Profile of a civil engineer. See you in the future, building a better world. Peace.